Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Yes, great start. Happy Monday everyone. And yes, it is Monday and I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, your Monday Meds. All right, so it is an it's happy new year. Yes, happy new year to you guys. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. We will share with you some great information on apples. That's the Jamaican Otaheite apple. Yes, the Otaheite apples. As we focus on Jamaican fruits today, and this month we're going to be focusing on teas. And later this week, we will share with you how you can use apples to make tea. Yes, how you can use apples to make tea. So keep watching. And yes, a big shout out, big shout out to you, Anne and Zoe. Big shout out to you ladies visiting our island. Do enjoy. It was so good meeting you yesterday. And do enjoy, and I pray your mission will be accomplished. All right, so this video, it's especially for you. All right, so keep watching as we will share with you some benefits and uses. Yes, benefits and uses of the Jamaican Otaheite apple. And yes, these are two that I got from the tree. They fell, but they are gonna be so good. As yes, we are gonna eat them. So this is the real apples, okay? No apples like these apples. All right, so keep watching as we'll share with you more on the Jamaican Otaheite apple. So yes, these are the Otaheite apple. This is the Jamaican Otaheite apple, and it is great for so many things. Yes, so this is one of our favorite Jamaican fruits, and yes, it is great. It is packed with lots of vitamins A, C, B3, along with calcium and phosphorus. The seed of this fruit, this is one seed, apple seed, Otaheite apple seed. The seed can be used to help reduce fever. So a decoction of the seed, which I would think it is, you would grate it, let it dry, and use a decoction of it. So in boiling hot water or boiling water, a decoction of it is good for fevers. That's the seed. All right, and yes, you can use the leaves. The leaves you can use, and they are great for chest congestion and bronchitis. And yes, it can also be used for fevers. And it is great for cracked tongue. The juice, the juice from the leaves can be used to help to moisturize the skin. And yes, you see how it's shiny? Yes, so you see it has some benefits for the skin. Interesting, right? Very interesting. So yes, and it is great for halitosis, which is bad breath, and it helps to heal mouth ulcers. So that's the leaves, and you can use the bark of the tree, and we'll show it to you. Let us show you it. So this is the bark of the apple tree, the Otaheite apple tree, and it is great for quite a lot of benefits. It is great for diabetes. It is also great for high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Interesting, right? The bark of this tree, the apple tree, the bark is good for all of that. And yes, it is great for constipation and also to fight yeast infection along with other vaginal issues. And it is great to combat cough, excess mucus, and mucus in the lungs. And yes, it's so many benefits. And this is so that was internally, and for external use you can use it for wounds, for burns, and also for cuts. You can also use it on open wounds and sore, and it also helps in the rapid healing of these things. And yes, you can use it. Also, you can use it, a decoction of it, as a douche for infections, vaginal thrust and infections. You can use the roots. Well, we don't have the roots here because the roots are down in, well, here's one actually. Here's one root there. You can use the roots for suppressed menstruation. So if you're not having your cycle, it can help to bring it on. And it also good for scanty urine. The root of the Otaheite apple, the roots can be used for inflammation. You would boil, so that would be a decoction of it, and it would be used externally for inflammation, swelling, spraying, and also it can be used for itching, to relieve itching. Yep, and that's actually one that just fell. And yes, so this is it. They've been falling off the tree. Yep, and the flies and also the bees, they're having a great time with them. So yes, that's your Jamaican apples for you. And yes, you can use the stem. The stem, a decoction of the stem can be used for diarrhea. And there are so many other benefits of the Otaheite apple. We will cut it right here. In another video, we'll share with you how you can do the decoction and get the benefits of the Jamaican Otaheite apples. Enjoy! Yes, I hope you enjoyed those apples. I sure did. I have still have some eating. But as we wrap up Monday Medz today, I'm reminded of the scripture that talks about you being the apple of God's eyes. That's from the wise man Solomon. You are the apple of God's eyes. So remember that. No matter what you're faced with in life, no matter what you're faced with today, this week, remember you are the apple of God's eyes. So walk in his favor, knowing that you are blessed beyond measure. Have a wonderful week, everyone. Have an awesome 2024. May he give you more, and God be with you.